Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel for episode 2. I'm James, and today we are focusing on how to end your day perfectly.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma. If you haven't seen episode 1 about morning routines, make sure to check that out too. But before we start, if you want to improve your English every day, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon.
Today's conversation is longer and filled with great vocabulary. Let's learn how to transition from a stressful workday to a peaceful night.
Let's start conversation.
Good evening, Emma. You look like you've been through a storm. Was the office really that chaotic today?
Good evening, James. Chaotic is an understatement. I've been staring at spreadsheets for 8 hours. My brain feels completely fried. I feel like I've lost the ability to speak proper English.
Fried is the perfect way to describe it. It's that feeling when your mental battery is at 0%. I'm feeling a bit drained myself. I had back-to-back meetings since noon.
It's exhausting, isn't it? The moment I stepped through my front door, I just wanted to collapse on the floor. I didn't even want to take off my shoes.
I know that feeling of post-work crash. But Emma, if you just collapse and stay there, you'll feel even more tired later. How do you usually spend your first hour at home?
Honestly, James, I'm a victim of the infinite scroll. I lie on the sofa, take out my phone, and suddenly an hour has passed. I'm just watching random videos of people cooking food I'll never make.
That is a classic trap. We call it revenge bedtime procrastination. You feel like you didn't have control over your day, so you steal time from your sleep to entertain yourself.
Revenge bedtime procrastination. Wow, that is a very powerful term. It fits my situation perfectly. I feel like I'm taking revenge on my busy day by staying awake.
But the problem is, Emma, that revenge only hurts you. It strains your eyes and keeps your brain in high gear. You need a better way to unwind.
I want to unwind, James, truly, but I don't have the energy for a hobby like woodworking or mountain climbing at 7 p.m.
You don't need to climb a mountain. Have you tried low stimulation activities? For example, I've started listening to instrumental music while I cook a very simple meal.
Instrumental music, like no lyrics?
Exactly. No words, just melody. It allows your brain to shift from processing information to experiencing the moment. It's very therapeutic.
Therapeutic. That means something that heals or makes you feel better, right?
Yes. And another thing I do is a light stretch. Nothing intense like a gym workout, just reaching for my toes and stretching my neck.
My neck is always so stiff from looking down at my laptop. I can actually hear it crack when I move. It's quite scary.
That's all the built-up tension from your stress. If you don't stretch it out in the evening, you'll wake up with a headache tomorrow. Small steps, Emma.
Speaking of habits, James, I have a confession. When I'm stressed in the evening, I eat a lot of junk food. Chips, chocolate, soda. It makes me feel good for 10 minutes, and then I feel terrible.
That's emotional eating. Your brain is looking for a quick dopamine hit because it's tired. But sugar and salt right before bed will ruin your sleep quality.
I've noticed that if I eat a big bag of chips at 9 p.m., I wake up feeling bloated and groggy at 7 a.m.
Bloated is a good word to know. It's when your stomach feels full and uncomfortable. Try swapping the chips for herbal tea or a small bowl of yogurt. It's a tiny change, but your body will thank you.
Herbal tea sounds very adult of me. I'll try chamomile. I've heard it helps with relaxation.
It does. It's a natural sedative. It sends a signal to your nervous system that it's time to shut down.
James, even when I'm in bed, I find it hard to actually fall asleep. I stare at the ceiling for an hour thinking about my mortgage and my car insurance.
That's because your bedroom might be too stimulating. Is your TV on? Is your phone charging right next to your pillow?
Yes, and yes. My phone is my alarm clock, so it's always within arm's reach.
That's a mistake, Emma. The blue light from the screen tells your brain it's daytime. You're essentially tricking your brain into staying awake.
So, what should I do? Buy an old fashioned alarm clock?
Exactly. Keep the phone in the kitchen. Make your bedroom a sacred space for sleep only. And keep the room cool and dark.
A sacred space. I like that. A place where stress isn't allowed to enter.
Precisely. I also use a white noise machine. It makes the sound of rain or a fan. It blocks out the noise of the traffic outside.
I'll try that. Sometimes a loud car passes by and wakes me up just as I'm falling asleep. It's so infuriating.
Infuriating, another great word. It means something that makes you extremely angry.
You mentioned in the morning episode that you prepare for the next day. How does that fit into your evening?
Before I brush my teeth, I look at my calendar for tomorrow. I decide what I'm going to wear, and I put my keys in the same spot every night.
That prevents decision fatigue, right?
Exactly. I don't want to spend my precious morning energy wondering where my socks are or what I should eat for breakfast.
I usually spend 15 minutes every morning running around the house looking for my ID card. It's a terrible start to the day.
If you spend 5 minutes tonight, you save 15 minutes tomorrow. That's a 200% profit on your time.
When you put it in mathematical terms, it sounds like a great deal, James.
It really is. And the final step? Reading a physical book. Just 5 pages. It makes my eyes heavy and my mind calm.
I have a book I haven't finished for 3 years. Maybe tonight is the night I finally get past chapter 2.
I believe in you, Emma. Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is just to be a little better than yesterday.
Thanks, James. I feel much more optimistic about my evening now. I'm going to go home, stretch, drink tea, and read my book. No infinite scrawl tonight.
And that brings us to the end of episode 2. We hope you enjoyed this long conversation and learned some new English words today.
We want to hear from you. What is your one bad habit in the evening that you want to change? Is it late night snacking or too much screen time? Let us know in the comments below.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends or family who are also practicing English. It really helps us keep making these lessons.
And if you haven't already, please subscribe to join our learning community. We have many more episodes coming your way to help you speak English fluently and confidently.
Thank you for watching and practicing with us. Stay consistent and take those small steps.
Have a peaceful evening, everyone. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.